Welcome to another SatNav Systems video. Today we have this Volkswagen Touareg, the latest CR model, latest Touareg, and the customer came to us and we're asking for help to get the 360 camera upgrade on this car, which we just completed, and I'm just going to show you now the result, just to show you as well. The camera, the 360 camera system is a four-way camera, so it's one at the back, two in the mirrors and one at the front. It's quite a big job that takes, it's quite a lengthy job and labor intense, but the one camera is here that you can see, and another camera is there, same on the other side, and also one camera that you'll find at the front here is there. Now, as you can see, everything has been already installed, so I'm just going to show you now how it performs. So let me get in here. Let's start the car. Obviously a massive screen in the Touareg, so it's like having a massive iPad, seriously. I'm just going to switch that off, sorry. System is starting. So what I'll do is I'll select the reverse gear and just show you everything. The system has been already calibrated, so it's spot on, showing 360 view here with the rear camera at the moment showing. So that's camera that moves with the steering wheel, and it's not just the guidelines, the yellow ones, but it's also the lens that moves at the end when you turn the wheel all the way. So it's left and right, so it does that, and obviously your 360 view here. You've got different views here as well, so we can look at the camera at the back. So this is like a fish lens view. This is the kind of, if you've got a trailer mode, this is just a normal the rear. You've got also 3D at the back, so you can just go and through the system like this, check anything around. You can see where the car is parked. It's just unbelievable, the system. Yeah, so if I reverse now, just to show you, let me come out slightly. You can see here everything perfectly aligning, and you can see the car moving as well, which is just incredible. So it really helps. If I go forward, the camera changes. If I go to camera now, 1, 2, or front, there you go. You can see the front, and we're moving forward, so you can see exactly when I'm going to approach the hedges in front. So and the sensors obviously are beeping and helping as well. Let me just switch them off. They also helping, showing exactly here how close you are to the obstacle. Again, you can select the reverse, and if I change the camera again, switch that to, again, as I said, you can just switch through the cameras to show. If I move back to the front, this is showing the front now, and also the lens moves just as the rear one. So it's all done to the factory specification, includes 3-year warranty. If you would like system like that, which are must in big cars like this Touareg, obviously for SUVs, it's a really helpful tool to help in parking situations. If you would like more information, just get in touch with us. Links will be in the description, and yeah, we'll assist from there, providing confirming compatibility and so on. Thank you so much for joining us, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.